Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be going over 3 fantastic security cameras that we got off of Teckin. This one is the Teckin Shooter, this one is the Teckin Roll, and this one on the far right is the Teckin Click. So far Teckin has released 3 different security cameras, and here they all are in front of us. I have been privileged to receive each and every one of these as a free product to review for you all. So greatly appreciate Teckin sending these out to us. And I will leave a link to each and every one of these cameras down in the description below if you guys want to check those out. First of all, we'll go ahead and check out the Teckin Click. This one I've had longer than all of the other ones, and that one is a 1080p full HD Wi-Fi smart camera for your home, and it has night vision, two-way audio, motion and sound detection, a desk stand, wall and ceiling mount, action mode, and it's for babies, pets, elderly, and it's in the light white color right there. This one over here is the Teckin Roll, and the Teckin Roll has pan, tilt, and zoom control. You can control your Teckin Roll via the Teckin app, and you can view every angle of your room with 360-degree horizontal range and 90-degree vertical range. The Teckin Roll can automatically record the sound/motion detection video and track motion. The detection alert will be sent directly to your phone via the Teckin app. Also has night vision. The Teckin Roll will guard you even in the dark up to 32 feet away with 6 infrared LEDs. The live streaming will automatically match the best picture quality according to your network situation up to 1080p. You can also share your happiness with the Teckin Roll. It supports sharing the live streams to your family through the Teckin app, and it also supports two-way audio in real time. No matter how far away, you can communicate with it anytime. And I like this about all of these cameras right here. Each and every one of these share the same characteristic. They have T-Cloud and they also have SD storage. So they also have the T-Cloud and SD storage for every one of these, up to 128 gigabytes for your recordings. You can also get a free 3-month trial of T-Cloud service if you just contact them and go through the normal stuff to get the free 3-month trial. But let's go over these a little bit more in depth, guys, starting with the Teckin Shooter, since we went over the Click and the Roll a little bit, and then we'll hop into the app and actually take a little bit of time to review some of the actual footage and see how it actually looks in real time. The Teckin Shooter is an outdoor camera, and it is a Wi-Fi home surveillance camera with night vision. Also has the motion and sound detection alerts, two-way audio. It's waterproof with the IP65 waterproof. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant, and is SD and cloud storage compatible as well. So very fantastic camera right here. Easy to install. The Teckin Shooter can be installed anywhere you want in just one step. To change the position, you only need to turn it slightly, and the shooter can be installed to other places without any other tools. Simple and convenient. The Teckin Shooter is equipped with 2 megapixel high definition lenses and 1080p high definition picture quality, which can clearly be seen at night as well as during the day. 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi support connects to the Teckin app and makes it easy and more stable for you to allow you to control everything at home, anytime, anywhere, no matter where you are. Also very lightweight ABS and PC material and IP65 waterproof, like I stated before. Don't need to worry about the rain and snow affecting the monitoring when you place it outdoors. The 360-degree rotation and 108-degree wide-angle monitoring provides you with all-around monitoring support, and you can feel safe when you go out with excellent motion detection and sound monitoring functions. When a moving object is automatically detected, it will sound an alarm and record it in the Teckin app, allowing you to look back at any time. So very fantastic cameras, guys, every single one of them. The other thing I have to say again is the T-Cloud storage, alongside the ability to put an SD card in there. Right here is the place where you place the SD card. You just take these little things out, and there's some set screws, and that's where you place your SD card in this. But let's go ahead and open up the Teckin app and show you guys a little bit more of what we got going on. The Teckin app is actually right here. It's very easy to use. Whenever you do download it, if you haven't added your device, you just press this right here, and then you go to camera, for instance, and you click on one of the various devices that Teckin has to offer. And then once you click on that, you'll see that this light right here will be flashing red. And if that red light's flashing, you just press this button right here and then log in. After you log in, it'll show you this QR code, and all you do is just scan it with your camera, and it'll automatically connect straight to your phone through the Teckin app. So very convenient, easy to use. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of the footage. As our first demonstration, we'll go ahead and grab the Teckin Click, and I'll spin it around here, and then I'll use it as kind of a camera for recording this a little bit. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. Right here you can see that is the actual footage from the camera as we are moving it around. Currently there's my aromatherapy diffuser and my Echo Dot and everything that I actually keep on my desk all times. So awesome camera. The quality is amazing looking. You can take videos, you can capture pictures. You can also speak with the two-way audio, and then you can hear the various different sounds that are going on near the camera itself as well. So fantastic overall, and that's with each of them. I think all of them will roughly have the same quality, but let's go ahead and move this around and get started and check out our Teckin Roll as well. The Teckin Roll has fantastic camera capabilities. Look at the overall quality, guys. Looks fantastic. Teckin really made some great cameras when they made these. Like I said earlier, the Teckin Click is the first one that I got, and you can get two of those for $39.99 on Amazon, or one of them for $25.99. And the Teckin Roll cost $39.99, but there's actually a 20% coupon that is going on Amazon currently, and there is the shooter for $47.99. So overall, each of them are very well priced, especially the two Teckin Clicks for $40. That is an absolute amazing deal. Now, since we got a chance to look at the Teckin Click and the Teckin Roll, let's go ahead and place this to the side again, and we'll go ahead and move on to our Teckin shooter. Let's go ahead and grab it up and check out the camera footage. I'll have to hold this one a little bit more because the base isn't as sturdy as the others. And look at that. Fantastic camera quality. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below, and let me know if you guys think this is a great quality camera. If you guys have cameras that are better quality than this, let me know what they are as well. And just let's get some feedback going down in the comment section. There are also all the other features right here that are in an easy to set up area, and there's the settings up top right here as well. And when you click on those settings, you have the ability to toggle on your motion detection, synchronize the time, sound detection, share your camera. You can do all kinds of stuff for this. The supported third-party control and everything will be in your camera settings. So very cool, guys. Amazing cameras. Like I said in the very beginning of the video, guys, Teckin has some amazing looking products, and the cameras work extremely well. That's why I figured I'd make another video for you all and show you guys each and every one of the available cameras that they have right now. And pretty soon I'm going to be setting this one up in an outdoor location, so I could possibly be showing you some actual outdoor footage as well once I do get it set up in a right spot. But I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.